So we've created tons of design templates for common topics, so that when you want to get started with a design that's been mostly laid out for you, or if a blank canvas is just going to be a little bit too daunting, you can get started with something from our design templates catalog and just customize it from there. You can find them either by selecting design templates in the main site navigation, clicking design ideas on the right of the design studio, or templates in the lower left corner. Here you can pick from main and subcategories you're interested in, and you'll see a whole list of designs tailored to what you're looking for. If you need to go back, just follow the breadcrumb trail to look at other categories. Once you find one you think you want to use, just select the design and you'll be loaded into the design studio. All the tools we talked about up to this point are still available to use. Fill out the text in your template, change colors, fonts, move things around if you want, or swap out for another product. The first thing you want to remember is that every design template is still fully customizable. Don't worry if a design template doesn't have the right colors, or if the wording is a little off, or it's not on the right product. You can still change all of these things, add other elements to it, even upload your own images, and build the design that you want. The second tip is to remember that you can edit and move multiple objects together. Clicking and dragging over more than one object will select them all together and let you edit their size and placement at once. One really helpful thing this lets you do is to copy and paste multiple objects as well. And doing that will let you move your whole design from one side of the shirt to the other. Just select your whole design, right-click and select either copy or cut, then view back and right-click again to select paste. In the next couple videos, we're going to walk through the details of how to save your designs, we'll take a look at your account page, and at the end, we'll show you how to place your completed order.